Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to edit your first YouTube video. It's simple. Just go to studio.youtube.com. This is your YouTube Studio dashboard. Now go to the content page and you will see your first video on this page. To edit this first video, just click on this little pen. And now you can edit your video title from here. Same thing with the description. To edit your first video thumbnail, just click on these three dots and you can upload your new thumbnail from your computer. If your first video is added to a playlist, you can uncheck it from here or add it to a new playlist. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that I have a YouTube online course that you can get access today for free. Inside this YouTube basics course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with your YouTube channel. For example, how to create your channel, verify it, edit your channel name and banner, create your logo. You will also learn how to create content and upload it to YouTube. For example, how to make an intro for a YouTube video, how to write scripts, how to record laptop screen, and many things. Video optimization and management is also included. Inside it, you will learn how to replace audio in a YouTube video, how to add a link in a video description, how to add a subscribe button on a YouTube video. You will also learn how to grow and manage your channel, technical and security settings, and integration and external sharing. To get access to all of this today for free and also these online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. You can also, to edit the tags, just click on show more and scroll down to the tag field. Here, now you can delete tags out and also add new one. And to edit the visibility of your first video, just select it from here. You can select private, unlisted, or public. After that, don't forget to click on this save button to not lose your changes. And this is how to edit your first YouTube video. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.